Hello everybody. I'm enrolled in a program of ADX, that is CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. In this course, I am given a project that is named Project-0, where I am supposed to create a Google form with Google image search and advanced search facility. This is my development, and here I have designed. I have tried to design the Google search form similar as the Google's own search form. That is the Google search form, and I have designed this one. In the top right corner, there are three menu items. That is, first item is Google search, second Google image search, and third one advanced search. Here the form, while I type something in the form and click on the Google search, it is supposed to search in the Google's page. I can show you. If I write Harvard and click on Google search, it directly goes to Google's search page. And if I write Harvard and click on I am feeling lucky, it directly goes to the first search result. Unfortunately, it is not redirecting to Harvard University. If I use another keyword like what can I use? I can use YouTube and click on I am feeling lucky. It directly goes to the first result link. Now I am going to image search tab. Yeah. Here, if I write web security and click on image search, it shows all the images related to web security, and that is in the Google search result page. I have another option, that is advanced search. There are some fields in the advanced search. That is, the first field is all these world, and it is similar to the Google's advanced search form. I can show you this advanced search. This is the Google's main advanced search form, and I have cut out the below section of the form and just presented the first section, and it also gives the same result as the Google's advanced search, because while I click on the advanced search button, this search form submits the search queries to the Google. Look at the result. The search page appears following all the rules of Google. This is my first project, and I think it is. I have tried my best to complete this project. Thank you, everyone.